Asthma is a respiratory disease that causes breathing problems and makes physical activity challenging for people. It's most commonly diagnosed in children, and it's a global health problem that affects 300 million people. Using artificial intelligence and extensive data analysis, researchers studied patients with asthma and found that 1.41% of asthma patients were affected by COVID 19. COVID 19 patients with asthma are at greater risk. The prevalence of asthma in the Indian subcontinent ranged from 4.3 to 6.9%.
The healthcare systems in rural India is still developing and faces challenges of workforce shortages, absenteeism, poor infrastructure, and quality of care. Although the number of facilities has increased over the years, it's substantially below the recommended levels suggested by the World Health Organization.
And our solution? SimpleBreath. This problem acted as a motivation to propose our solution, SimpleBreath, which will benefit these patients because they can use this real time monitoring system to save themselves from asthma attacks, take their medicine regularly, and get advice from doctors without having to travel. The world is moving towards real time detection and monitoring of illness. Asthma patients require regular monitoring.
Our solution, SimpleBreath, is an app with an IoT device. This device includes an Arduino Mega, gas sensor, smoke sensor, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, and a pulse rate sensor. This device monitors these variables and records them in a Google Sheet. The device is connected to the MIT App Inventor using a Bluetooth module. When the patient presses the diagnosis button, the data from the Arduino is shown in the app. When the patient presses the record button, the data is saved in the Google Sheet. This data is available for the doctor or the other medical practitioners to monitor. Then, if there is any concern, the medical practitioner can contact the patient and give necessary instructions before it's too late, thus helping the patient manage this disease with lifestyle changes or medication and plan any hospitalization if required.
Our app includes various information that will help asthmatic patients. This includes information regarding the disease, precautions and diet and activity advice. App also includes functionality to track inhaler usage. This is a manual function where the user has to enter the data.
Existing solutions in the market include an asthma monitoring device with an activity sensor, a gas sensor, a temperature sensor, and a humidity sensor. Also, some devices detect asthma attacks. However, there are no devices that detect both environment and the patient's vitals and make them available for doctors to analyze in real time.